નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. Adarsh Education Society welcomes you all here.
Dear student friends, let's move ahead in lesson number 4. Up till now, we have completed lesson number 3, where the title was Points of View or Points of Views. Here, title is little bit changed. Lesson number 4 is what? My points of view or my points of views. Here, view or views. Here also view or views. Difference is what? The word is added here, and that is my. You see here, wherever the word my is given here, my indicates my individual. Here, opinion or opinions of vivid persons. Here, individual opinion or opinions. This is the main difference in between these two lessons. Our part starts from here. What is my opinion? What's my points of view? What I should say about this or that? That is my points of view. Got the idea? Here, individual views are stressed, are important. Here, general. Go a little bit back. 6 persons were there for the different opinions about an elephant. Here, my. I am connected here with individual opinion or opinions. What is here? One thing I'll tell you. My points of view, in short, you can tell it. My interview. When I'll ask you something about Uttarayan, Holi, Diwali, Navratri, Corona, at the time you will speak something what you have learned, what you have listened, what you know about Corona, Diwali, Holi, Uttarayan, etc. Here, I will be the speaker. I will speak something because of my points of view. Here, individual opinion or opinions are much more stressed. What is the title of this lesson? My points of view. Under that, we are having one article. What is that? Over 100 means 100 times. UFO sighted in India. Sighted, seen. What is this UFO? UFO is equal to unidentified flying objects. Eh? Yes. One thing you'll pay attention here. Object or objects. Something is flying in the sky, which is not identified. You are seeing something and you cannot identify anything else. What is that? That is UFO. Can it be possible? Not at all possible. If something is there, this is a chalk stick, and I'll ask you, what is this? You will say, this is a chalk stick. And if you will go inside about the production, content, usage of this, somehow this is first time it is in front of you. At the time, you will analyze, you will identify, you will try to get in the root cause of this object. Here, it remains unidentified. And that is not once, 100 times it was sighted in India. If it is 100 times in India, think for abroad. Think for the entire world how many times UFO is sighted. For that, what is UFO, how it was sighted, where it was sighted, who reported it, everything will be told to you. And then afterwards, I will ask you, what's your opinion? At the time, what you will reflect, what you will speak, that would be my points of view for your UFO. Let's go ahead in our text. We are here on page number 42. What's there? Title is My Point of View. Subtitle is Over 100 UFOs. UFO, singular, UFOs sighted, seen in India. Next to that, DNA is written. Don't go for any scientific terminology. Scientific terminology is not there. Here DNA is written. This is the name of a newspaper. It's the name of a journal, newspaper, DNA. Next to that, Monday is written, November 5th November is written, 2012 is written, IST, Indian Standard Time is also written there, 1949. You see here, what is given here on page number 42, that is nothing else but a report writing. Last time I explained to you what is the frame of report writing. Same thing you will be able to see over here, observe over here. Okay, agency PTI, Press Trust of India, PTI. Wherever you will see in newspaper, somewhere else it would be written PTI. What the government agency releases news, that agency's news is equal to PTI news. That you will keep it in your mind. Okay. Army troops, groups, cluster of soldiers. Army troops in India have reported more than 100 times. 100 sighted. 100 times it is sighted. What? UFO. Unidentified flying objects. In the last 3 months is equal to 90 days. Out of 90 days, you have seen UFO 100 times. It means once in a day, it was seen. Hence, it is proved that we have to think something for UFO. Unidentified flying objects. Agencies, just like PTI, just like troops of army, cluster of soldiers, included the army, no need to explain. DRDO, the word is given over here, DRDO. DRDO means what? Defense Research Development Organization. Throughout India, in all the 3 wings, Air Force, Naval, Army, which weapons are included or excluded, that would be under DRDO's responsibility. They will add, they will reduce, remove Vikrant was removed from India's naval service. Why is it so? This is the research work of DRDO. Life પૂરી થઈ ગઈ છે. We should not go for the risk. DRDO, Defense Research. In all the three wings, so far as defense is concerned, what kind of research work is going on and how we can go ahead with the development, that organization will think, that is the DRDO. In this lesson, abbreviations are much more important for you. Go ahead always with the abbreviations and name for the abbreviations, full name for the abbreviations. You will think UFO abbreviation, DRDO abbreviation. One more you will move ahead, and that is NTRO, N National T Technical R Research O Organization. Throughout India, here we are having limit with the defense. Here we are not having any limit with the defense or this or that. Throughout India, whatsoever technical research is going on, that would be always under the observation of NTRO, National Technical Research Organization. If it is in the field of farm, it will be here. If it's in the field of baking, technology is required, that will be under this. Next to that, and ITBP have not yet been able to identify these luminous flying object. The word is given luminous, shining, glittering. The word ITBP, ITBP, Indo-Tibet Border Police. They also reported this. And yet they have not able to identify what is the meaning of UFO. From where it comes, how it moves, how it visits our planet. Some local people believe that extraterrestrials who have come to the earth from the outer space, from Mars alien, from Jupiter alien, from Venus alien, may have visited. This is the opinion, extraterrestrial, not from this planet, but out of this planet someone came here, visited, and observed planet, moved back. This is what? This is UFO. This is the belief of the people. 1, 2, 3 have not given this opinion. This is the opinion, individual opinion of people it is. Got the idea? What's about the UFOs in detail, that we will come to know little later. Till that time I'll give you time for 2 to 3 seconds, 5 seconds to write down what's given over here on the screen. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Thanks a lot for joining us.